Everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to split screen on Windows 11 and multitask like a pro now. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings on your Windows 11 PC by clicking the Start button and the gear icon. Settings is where you manage system options, so it's the first step. Step 2. Click System. This controls your display, power and multitasking, which we need for split screens. Step 3. Click Multitasking. Here you find features to manage multiple windows efficiently. Step 4. Make sure Snap Windows is on. This lets windows resize and snap into place when dragged. Step 5. Hover over the Maximize button. It's in the top right and hovering shows snap layout options. Step 6. Select a snap layout 2, 3 or 4 panels. Pick one that fits your workflow. Step 7. Click a panel to place the current window there. This fixes your window in that area. Step 8. Select other open windows to fill the remaining panels if using 3 or 4 panel layouts. Now all your apps are visible at once. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.